Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new topic. The name of the topic is past adjustments. So far, we have learned about so many things in that in our basic concepts of partnerships. Today, let us see what is the meaning of this past adjustments. We will learn what is the meaning of these past adjustments and how to solve the questions in this topic. So let us see first what is the definition or what is the meaning of it. Sometimes a few omissions or errors in the recording of transactions or the preparation of summary statements are found after the final accounts have been prepared and the profits distributed among the partners. That means it may happen. Suppose those partners prepared their profit and loss appropriation account at the end of the year. After preparing that profit and loss appropriation account, they realize that they have omitted or they have taken some of the items related to their partnership deed. Those are differently, not properly. For example, it may happen that they have in the partnership deed it is mentioned that their partners will get an interest on partners capital, but when they may prepare the profit and loss appropriation account, they forgot to give that interest on capital. Now, when they prepared everything, profit and loss appropriation account and all other things, it is very difficult to go back and make a rectification in the all other accounts. So instead of going back to the books of accounts and finding out where is the mistakes and rectifying it, what we do, what is the common practice, just pass a single entry, journal entry, to rectify that whatever error or whatever mistake took place. So in this regard, we have to keep in mind that omissions may be in respect of interest on capitals, interest on drawings or interest on partner's loan, partner's salary and partner's commission or outstanding expenses, etc. So now let us see that how to prepare, means how to handle that situation when any such thing happened. And we'll let us take one example, and so that is the question, how to solve these types of problems or questions. So let us see. The question is, Nusrat, Sonu and Himesh are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. The partnership deed provides for charging interest on drawings at the rate of 10% per annum. The drawings of Nusrat, Sonu and Himesh during the year ending December 2015 amounted to rupees 20,000, 15,000 and 10,000 respectively. After the final accounts have been prepared, they discovered that interest on drawings has not been taken into consideration. So now we have to pass one adjustment entry so that to rectify this particular error. So that is the question. Now let us see how to solve it. In this regard, you please keep in mind, as we know that there may be several methods to solve any kind of questions, mathematical questions. In this, I prefer one method that is very much easier. If you have understood that profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account, then this method what I am going to teach you, you will find very simple, because you have to just introduce or you have to just apply whatever concept you have learned in the profit and loss appropriation account and in the partners capital account. So let us see. First we have to make the format. So let us make the format. Divide that whole matter into these parts In this regard, you have to keep in mind we have to make one extra column. How many partners will be there? One extra column has to make. For example, in this question we have three partners and one extra column. Okay. So next we have to divide these columns into two equal parts. Next, each of those columns has to divide into two halves further. Each of those columns. Then finally I had given that down, that this line. Now this is particulars. Next, this is Nusrat's account. Next, Sonu. Next, Himesh. And last column, that this will be form. In this regard, we have to keep in mind this partner's name, whatever I have written here. These are nothing but the partner's capital account. And where I have written, or where the form is written, this is nothing but the profit and loss appropriation account. So just keep this thing in mind. Next, each of this column, that left hand side we have to write debit and right hand side we have to write credit. That same thing we have to do for others columns as well. Now this particular table is known as table of adjustments. In this regard, you have to keep in mind whenever you are solving these types of question, this format you have to make little bit lower, and on the top in this place you have to make the journal entry column format. I'm coming to that matter later on. So whenever you are solving this question, be careful, make this format, and this format you have to make in the working note. So make this format and keep some space on the top of this format to prepare the journal entry. How to do, I am showing you a bit later. So now let's us see the interest on drawing. So interest on drawing, we have to calculate the interest on drawing. What is the percentage of interest on drawing? 10% per annum. And those figures are amount of drawing is 20,000, 15,000 and 10,000. And as it is written only during the year, therefore we have to calculate the interest for the 6 months. At the specific date of withdrawing is not given, therefore we have to calculate the interest for 6 months. So interest on drawing, Nusrat, 1,000. You just recall that capital account of the partners. Interest on drawing we write in the debit side of the partners capital account. So we have written in the debit side of the partners capital account, 10% of 20,000 comes 2,000, and for 6 months, that is half of 2,000 is 1,000. On the same way, Sonu's 15,000, 10% of 15,000 is 1,500 and half of it is 750. Next, Himesh, 10,000, 10% of 10,000 is 1,000 and half of it is 500. Next, what we have to do, we have to add these three, and 1,000 plus 750, 1,750 plus 500 is equal to 2,250. And that we have to write in the credit side of the forms, that is profit and loss appropriation account, what I told you. And just to recall, when you had prepared the profit and loss appropriation account, that time you have written this interest on drawing in the credit side of the PL appropriation account. So very simply, we are just implying here the concept of the profit and loss appropriation account and the capital account. So as there is no other instructions, so what you have to do now, we have to first balance this farms account. Okay, so we know how to balance it off. Write it down, this figure here first. Now again write down this figure in here, 2250, and balance it off, and we will get that as nothing is there in the debit side, therefore 2250 will be the balance. Now, if the credit side of the PL appropriation account is greater than the debit side, and if that balance will come in the debit side, then it is known as what? Profit or loss. Right, Ewart, it will be profit. And what is the name of this profit? Divisible profit. Okay. And what is the ratio for distributing that divisible profit? 5 is to 3 is to 2. So we have divided this 5 is this 2 to 50. We have to divide it in this ratio 5 is to 3 is to 2. So that Nusrat will get 1125. Again, think this 2250 is the profit. So profit we transfer in the credit side of the partner's capital account. So 1125, 50% of this, that 5 by 10 into 2250 is equal to 1125. Same thing has to do for Sonu 675, and same thing has to do for Himesh, that is 2 by 10 is equal to 450. Almost to it. Now what you have to do, we have to balance of these all individual accounts here. So let us do it. As the credit side of Nusrat is greater 1125, so I have written it here. Next 1125 I have written. Find out the balance, how much it will come? 125. 1125 minus 1000 is equal to 125. Next, for Sonu, which side is greater? Debit side is greater. How much it is? 750. Now write that 750 in the credit side and the balance will come 75. 750 minus 675 is equal to 75. Next, for Himesh, debit side is greater 500. Now write that same amount here in the credit side and take the balance of, it will come 50. 500 minus 450 is equal to 50. And this is known as the final balance. This is the final balance of those partners. So now this table of adjustment is ready. Next part, what we have to do, we have to make the journal entry. That is the adjustment entry, and I hope you can recall how to prepare a journal entries format. Yes, this is the format of the journal entry, and this is the journal entry. And be careful when you are preparing the journal entry. Here just you see Nusrat's figure came in the debit side. So when you will pass the journal entry, you have to just to do the opposite. Whose balance will come in the debit side, you have to credit that partner, and whose balance will come in the credit side, you have to debit those partners. So in this case, 75, Sonu has got 75 balance in the credit side, so I have to debit it. Sonu's capital, debit, and then Himesh's capital 50. Himesh's capital debit 50, 75, 50, okay, and then Nusrat's capital 125. And just to see that both the debit and credit sides are equal. And this is the final final of the journal entry, and we have to this is the final of this journal entry, and we have to do on this way. So just to keep in mind, how for that solution we have to just make this table of adjustment, and you have to keep in mind this table of adjustment is nothing but the working note, and the main thing of this question is this journal entry. So you have to prepare this format of this journal entry at the beginning, then you have to go to the working note and you have to prepare this table of adjustments, and finally you have to pass this journal entry. When you will pass the journal entry, you just have to keep in mind that which side the balance came, you have to just pass the journal entry opposite. If the balance will come in the debit side, you have to credit that partner, and if the balance will come in the credit side, you have to debit the partner. So that's all from the beginning of this topic, that is the past adjustments. Hope you have understood. Please let me know, comment, leave your comment in the comment section of this video if you have any doubt. And in this journal entry, intentionally I have made one mistake, so you have to tell that what is that mistake. So let us, I hope you have understood everything. Take care of yourself. We'll meet you again. Till then, bye bye.